Hey you guys, so I was asked by the company Decorably to do a quick review of a Mother's Day card that they're offering on Amazon. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. First of all, it came in this nicely tightly packed envelope, so there wasn't any worry of it being bent or dented. Oh my goodness. Look how colorful that is, you guys. So pretty. It comes with a little pamphlet that tells you all about the company. But it's very pretty. It is three-dimensional. It has like this little bow on the front, and then the bouquet of flowers is also three-dimensional. And then let's open it. Oh, how sweet is this? It comes with stickers, so if you have a kid who wants to decorate it, you can certainly do that. It's got like a crown, flowers, and they're really pretty and shiny, as you can see. And then inside, it's got the card with a nice little verse in it. It's got plenty of room to write your message or whatever you want to add inside of it. And even the back is a nicely printed color as well with the floral print. So this is extremely well thought out, extremely pretty. I love the 3D touch to it with the bow. And it also comes with an envelope with the gold foil, more floral inside of that, a nicely pretty purple color to match the actual card, and more floral on the back with plenty of room to write who it's to. So I absolutely love this. I will definitely give this to my mom, and I hope that maybe my husband will take the hint and order me one off Amazon. So I would definitely recommend these cards from Decorably.